Yeah, another eBay package. This is the speakers again. Like sporting speakers on my system. So I'm gonna box it. I got the shipping label off. So just unbox them. Give it a very nice package. So you guys get this package. Try to unbox it with the screw. I'm already like over there. Stuff together. There we go. Nicely packaged. Hopefully it came in good condition. Speakers. There's a lot of cardboard shit. Can reuse those packages though. I want to keep them. I'm gonna sit and put the camera down for a few seconds. Cardboard. See, there's cardboard. These are used speakers. Nothing else in the bag. Careful. Oh my god. There's just an eBay label. Very nice. Let's go to the coupon. Extra packaging. Now for the moment of truth. I hope they came in good condition. Looks like they did. Because it's well packaged. So far so good. There's one of them. Very nice. The other one. Let's look at them. Yeah, pretty stiff. Very nice. Yep, they came in good condition. So these are a pair of Toshiba TV speakers. Just 26HL83-SPEK, that stands for speaker 1. So it's from a 26-inch distributed TV. So this is the woofer. Doesn't seem too stiff. It looks like they've broken them in, the original owner. And this is the mid-tweeter. That's a lot stiffer. So this, I hope they sound good though. They came in good condition. Some YouTuber on that like recently like had issues with me, like said they sound bad, but I don't think all of these speakers sound bad. So I'm just gonna test them. Don't underestimate them. So it's a 5-watt RMS speaker, max 7 watts, and 16 ohms. That might be the actual wattage, maybe, I don't know, but wattage doesn't mean anything always. It means it can handle more power. So let's take a look close look at the speakers. You got different spatters set up. Like this one's like more thicker. This one's thinner for more excursion. I remember I watched a video like back in 2011. Like this guy had like a bunch of speakers to test in the video. It's Speaker Freak 95. I remember him testing these before. He deleted the video a long time ago, so you probably won't recognize that he tested these. If you liked speakers back in like 2011 or like between like 2011 and 2013, you probably would recognize these and edit videos and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty nice. I'm gonna test them eventually. I'm actually gonna test them later today. Actually, right after this video, I want to hear how this sound. They look very nice, though. I hope they sound good. Thanks for watching.